G'day guys, quick update from yesterday's Bitcoin analysis. Again, we've got still in a bullish trend, although the hourly divergence has been hit according to our analysis. And also just a quick update in terms of the news. The US dollar remained mostly unchanged as investors awaited key events like Jerome Powell's congressional testimony, the European Central Bank's rate decision and US jobs data. Bitcoin saw a slight gain but stayed below its record high, with markets cautiously waiting for further cues on central bank policies and economic data. So again, looking at the weekly, daily and hourly charts, the weekly and daily are both bullish on the ADX 25 down here, but the hourly is actually broken to the downside. And since yesterday, we did have this bearish divergence on the CCI 150 on the hourly versus higher highs on the price, and we did say be careful about going long after hitting this resistance at 68,950. And it's actually come back quite strongly and bounced and hitting this new resistance or support there at 61,250. So just be careful about going long until we see the CCI and the hourly at least start breaking to the upside. On the weekly and daily, you'll notice the CCI 150 as well is quite strongly to the upside above our moving average range. And on the daily likewise, although it's on the daily, it's hitting the moving average range. So I would hesitate and caution about going long until we see that break higher outside of that moving average range. And you can get the details of that, how to paint those ribbons of moving averages from the links in the description below. I've got a video there for you. So again, I'd like to see that break above that moving average range before taking further trades on the lower time frames like the hourly or even the 2 or 4 hourly time frames. You can see here as a trading idea, again trading only when the daily is in an upswing and outside of the moving average range, as I said. So here we've got the average down approach, and this is a stop loss approach. So you can see there, I've put the back test here starting from that point where that moving average breaks above the moving average, where that CCI breaks above the moving average range. That's where you take your trades, and you would have stopped taking trades, let it close out, and you would have stopped taking trades at that point there. And the stop loss approach is the same. So on the average down approach, you would have generated, you can see there if I leave the cursor there, you would have generated 4,073, and on the stop loss approach you would have generated 1,483 using that method. And again, the rules for that trading strategy are in there. Just wait for the last few slides at the end of the video. So stay tuned to the very end of the video. This is the first slide. I've got 2 slides. The first slide is the average down rules. So you can pause the video and read that in your own leisure. And the second slide shows the stop loss rules. Again, pause the video at your own leisure. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in a future video.